Good morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about the opposites. Children, in everyday life, we see many things which are opposite to each other. Something are big, like an elephant, and some small, like a hen. Big and small are opposite words. Some things are tall, like a giraffe, and some are short, like a monkey. Tall and short are opposite to each other. Tea is hot, but ice cream is cold. Hot and cold are opposite to each other. Let's see some more examples. A boy is running fast. An old man walks very slow. Fast and slow are opposite words. A sofa is heavy. A chair is light-weighted. Heavy and light are opposite words. The door is open. The window is closed. Open and close are opposite words. Children, now you can make more opposite words.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel.